Hello, what is good? So I'm going to be talking about the Shea Moisture 100% pure Monoi Oil head to toe illumination. And this right here was like the main reason why I bought it in the first place. Great for color treated hair. I normally use coconut oil for my color treated hair, but I wanted something different. I wanted something where it says you can use it for color treated hair. Not saying that you can't use coconut oil too, but sometimes I get scared on how it's gonna do on my color, even though I use coconut oil for my vibrant colored hair and it didn't wash it out or anything. And I applied some of this on it too. So I was doing some research, and because I noticed my color treated hair was getting dry, getting a little dead, and sometimes when you ain't not keeping up with your color treated hair, you know how that can be sometimes. And so I was like, oh my, I need to do something. After I got a trim, I was like, okay, how can I, ensure its health and make sure that it stays healthy, moisturized, and not dry, not brittle. So I did some research and I came across this oil. I did come across another oil too, but on one of the websites I saw and an article that I seen was saying that how Monoi oil is like related to coconut oil, because coconut oil is one of the ingredients in the Monoi oil, and it's saying how it's like its cousin, his sister, or something like that. So I was like, okay, and then I started reading like all the benefits from it, definitely researching how Monoi oil can help you and what it all can do. I don't remember everything, but I know it worked wonders for my hair, literally. But yeah, I saw one of the good things that I did see as well is that this product was going out of style. Like, I saw that a lot of people was purchasing this. Like, I think this was probably like the second bottle. I had to make sure that it was in stock or whatever, but I see why people be buying it up. It worked for me. And you can see that, it seemed like it's kind of like, not necessarily frozen up, but kind of turned into kind of clumpy. But that's the only reason why is because it got coconut oil in it. And sometimes, depending on the temperature, where the state that you live or where you place it at, it can kind of turn hard. If I can undo this top. And yeah, you can see like in here. So I'm like, oh, that's just coconut oil. Okay. Yeah, and a little goes a long way. Normally, I don't know why, I always normally overdo it sometimes, but my hair soaked it up though. And like if you did like 2 pumps in your hand and you just smoothed it out with your hair and stuff like that, it will help. One of the things that I did, even though it says put in your hand, on my color treated hair, like I pumped them squirts on my hair, on the color treated part of my hair, like at the ends, and I placed it. I didn't put it in my hand, I put it on my hair, and I just kind of rubbed it in for a while. And I did it for like maybe 2 times on the same spot, and I did it around every color part of my hair, every part of color treated hair that I have on my head. I just did it around, just around, and then with the other part of my hair that's not color treated, I just put some in my hand and I just kind of like smooth it out. Sometimes you may have to pour a little bit in your hand in case it doesn't come out at the top, because sometimes I have to do that too. Right here, sometimes I have to do that too, but normally I can just pump it out. I use this when I'm like pin curling my hair, or when I need some moisture back in my hair, or I just feel like I need moisture back in my hair to give it back life. And it does shine it really, 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 really nicely. But with the color treated part, I literally noticed a difference the next morning. I noticed my color treated hair was softer, it looked more vibrant, it looked like it came back to life, and it looked good. Like, it was really, really soft. And so that's one of the things that I've been doing to keep it up. I definitely gotta start doing it back again. And then especially when I do my pin curls, you can definitely see the moisture in my hair after when I'm done with this. They, like I said, I think I said it. They do have other oils as well. I know they have the Jamaican black castor oil. I haven't purchased that just because I just wanted something different. Like, I've used Jamaican black castor oil before, but I just want to try something different. And then when like I said, the article, I was like, okay, I really need to try this. And then when I saw the color treated hair that it can treat that, I was like, oh yes, I need to go in and get this and stop playing. But yeah, if you're thinking about getting like a nice oil to give some moisture back in your hair, definitely try that. Like, this stuff is really good. This is actually my second bottle that I bought. The first bottle, it was nothing. You know how you try to keep something and you try to get all of it out. No, I had to get a new bottle. But yeah, so try this bad boy out. And prayers sent out that it works for you like it worked for me.